I was pleasantly surprised by getting this sandals, because I thought, well, $30, you know, on Amazon, something cheapy and bad quality. These are great. I mean, I don't know how long they're gonna last, but at this point right now, they are amazing. This is very soft, the sole kind of thing when you're walking. It's very soft, which is great for my tired feet. The back is adjustable, fully adjustable, which I also love. It's easy to put on and take off. The grip is awesome. It's a rubber and it's I tried on the floor, on the tile, not slippery at all. And it has that also kind of like soft, but not too soft, but not the plasticky bottom like some shoes have. So looks like that is gonna be very quick drying. So far I don't see, I kind of like making a tug test. So far I don't see that it's gonna get broken or anyhow. This is adjustable, even though it doesn't have to be, but a little bit make it a little bit tighter if you need to. A good toe bump, very strong, plenty of room. I ordered 7.5, and lately I'm buying everything 7.5, and it's sometimes smaller. This one is not small at all. My toe ends up right in here, so it has room. So it has a room for my toes to just move around. And when you're walking, you know, sometimes the foot slides forward, so I have plenty of room for this kind of situation. So it's not big, but it's not narrow. Usually sandals are bad for me because my pinky toe comes out from like about this area. So this one is great. Love it a lot. And overall, the design is, I like it, and it's pretty. And yeah, the most important part for me was a soft inner part. So yeah, I'm very happy. I'm gonna keep them for sure. Oh, hopefully when I submerge them in the water, that they are not gonna fall apart. So I guess in a month or two I will make an update, but right now I like it.
There they are. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Perfect. Look at that. It's a back adjustment slide. Pretty good. True to size.